and welcome to the Clearcut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today we're talking about the 4 things to do right after you get engaged. So you get engaged and you have this beautiful diamond ring. Now, what should you do? First and foremost, make sure you get insurance on that ring. You don't want to find yourself in a position where your ring is damaged or lost or stolen and you do not have insurance on it. At the Clearcut, each bespoke ring comes with a retail insurance appraisal. You can take this appraisal to an insurance provider. If you have renters or homeowners insurance, you can add it as a rider, or you can get separate jewelry insurance, like a Jewelers Mutual, and have them insure it for you. They can give you an estimate on the spot and then insure it right away so you can feel comfortable and confident when traveling and wearing your ring. At the Clearcut, we also have the option to have an NFT of your ring, so the digital asset of your diamond engagement ring that comes with all the paperwork, the insurance appraisal, the GIA certificate, and you can even add your Clearcut couple story to it. This is a great thing to have because then you'll never lose your appraisal paperwork or your GIA certificate. The second thing to do right after you get engaged is make sure your ring fits properly. You want to make sure your ring is not feeling too loose and it's going to fall off and you're going to lose it, and not too tight where it's suffocating your finger. The best feeling is that it is snug with a little bit of struggle on the knuckle, but that you can get it on and off quite easily. If you need to resize your ring, make sure you go to the jeweler that you purchased your ring from. This is super important because you want to make sure that the quality and craftsmanship of any repairs or resizes is consistent, that the jeweler knows any work that's been done to the ring. The third thing to do right after you get engaged is make sure you have safe and secure places to store your ring when doing certain activities. So I like to give all my friends a ring bandit right when they get engaged. This is a great little wristband that has a secret pocket. You can put your diamond ring in there when you're doing activities like working out, cooking, playing tennis, taking care of your children, anything like that to keep your ring safe and secure on you, but not in fear of damaging your ring. I also love gifting, or you can buy for yourself a little ring stand or ring dish to put right next to your bed when you go to sleep. We do not recommend sleeping in your ring because your fingers swell overnight and you can also damage it by knocking your hands around. So the first thing you do before you go to bed is just put it on your ring stand. You'll know exactly where it is. You won't lose your ring. It's just the perfect kind of jewelry accessory to have right after you get engaged. The fourth thing to do right after you get engaged is learn how to keep your ring nice and clean. So you get your ring, it's beautiful, it's sparkly, you love it, but then you wear it for a while and it can get a little gross and dirty. Diamonds attract a lot of finger oils, soaps, perfumes, and you can get it looking really dull and dingy quickly. So make sure you get a handy dandy bling brush and keep it in your purse all the time so you can clean it off and go. And also I would recommend doing deeper cleans at home, just using a bowl of warm water, some dish soap, and a soft toothbrush to scrub it every 2 weeks or so just to keep it nice and sparkly. You know, if you have a diamond and there's some inclusions in it, the dirtier it gets, the more visible those inclusions are going to be, so we want to keep it nice and sparkly. Those are the 4 things I would recommend to do right after you get engaged. Let me know if you guys think of any others that didn't come to mind. And class is dismissed.